Welcome to Rohan Infotech, an ISO certified company. We innovate efficient storage equipments and solutions for telecoms, networking and power sector. We are leading exporter of storage racks and accessories like server racks for data banks, telecom racks for communication equipment, besides open racks for power cables designed as per customer requirements. Today, we have a world-class infrastructure unit with CAD/CAM facility and team of experienced professionals from industry. Our quality experts carry stringent quality checks to ensure zero-defect products. Our commitment towards quality, timely delivery and prompt after-sales service testimony enable us to grow in clientele in domestic as well as overseas market of countries like US, South Africa and Asia. Some of our prominent clients include Airtel, Vodafone, Nokia, Sony Ericsson's, Nokia Siemens, Idea, Tata and Reliance, to name a few.